1 liter EcoBoost Ford. Oil pump failure. Also led to turbo failure. So the oil pump tensioner fails, and when it does that, it takes out the oil pump belt. These are all the teeth off of that belt. That's the tensioner right there. That's the rest of the belt. And there's some more teeth in the oil pump pickup. And as a result of all that, anything that needed oil wasn't getting it. So it ends up taking out everything. But it's a pretty common failure on 1.0 EcoBoost 3-cylinder Fords. If you run into one that's got an underboost coat or something like that, that might be your issue.